Alright, so hello everyone. So we have this problem here now that says convert the following to polar coordinates. So the last video we did was from rectangular to polar, or actually, I'm wrong. It was, or actually, hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, so my bad. So basically now we're doing from polar to rectangular. The last one was rectangular to polar. And this time we're gonna do polar to rectangular. So it's not that hard. It's kind of just going in reverse now. Like I said, you're gonna want to go ahead and list all your basically the formulas. So r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared, and then r squared equals x squared plus y squared, and then you want to do number 2, tan theta is y over x, and then also number 3, r cosine theta equals x, and number 4, r sine theta equals y. As long as you know all of these, you're set to go. Like, it's not really that hard. And also the form of a polar coordinate, which is r theta. As long as you know all of these 5 things, and you're good to go, right? Now, to convert this to rectangular coordinates, we know that r is 4 and theta is 2 pi over 3. So in reality, so we're going to say that sorry guys. In reality, we're going to say that that r, so we know that r is 4. Okay, so r is 4. And then theta, we obviously know that theta is 2 pi over 3. Now, we want to convert it in x comma y, right? We want to go from r theta to x comma y, right? So the way to do that, we're going to say that x is going to be 4 times the cosine of 2 pi over 3. And this is where you're going to have to use your unit circle, right? In the unit circle, or actually, hold on. If you convert 2 pi over 3 to degrees, because if you don't know where it is on the unit circle, then you have to convert it to degrees. That is if you know, like, your degrees in terms of the unit circle, if you're better at doing degrees. So it would be times 180 over pi, and this would be 360 pi over 3 pi, which is just, so it's 360 over 3, and this would be, in reality, I think it's 120 if I'm correct. So in the unit circle, it would be, this is 90, and then 120 is like about over here, right? So that's where 120 is. Now, that's what theta is. Theta is 120 degrees, and let's see. So that means that the cosine of 120 degrees, if we go, so basically in the unit circle, you have pi over 2, and then over here, you have pi over 3, right? And this corresponds to 2 pi over 3. pi over 3 in coordinate, like the coordinate for pi over 3 is 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. So it's going to be the same coordinate, but it's going to be negative x comma y. So it's going to be, for 120 degrees, at 120 degrees, you have the coordinate negative 1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. You have to know your unit circle for this, by the way. It's very important that you know your unit circle for this. So, let's see. Let's see here. So we have 4 comma 2 pi over 3, and we want to convert it to x comma y. So basically it's going to be, so x is just going to be 4, and then the cosine of 2 pi over 3, that's just the x term of 2 pi over 3, which is negative 1/2. So it's going to be, because right here, if we look at it, this is cosine of 2 pi over 3, so this would be cosine of 2 pi over 3, right? And then we have, it would be, so x would be negative 2. Now, for the y term, so for the y term, you're gonna do y equals r sine theta, right? So it's gonna be y equals 4 sine of 2 pi over 3. This is gonna be equal to 4, and the sine of 2 pi over 3, that's square root of 3 over 2, because it's the y term of 2 pi over 3, right? My bad. Square root 3 over 2 times square root 3 over 2. So then you have 4 square root 3 over 2 equals y. So then it would be 2 times the square root of 3 all over 2. So you're going to cancel this out. You're going to get 2 square root 3, right? And then, so you have x equals 2, y equals 2 square root 3. So your rectangular coordinate would be 2 comma 2 square root 3. Okay, so this would be your rectangular coordinate, alright? Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and or subscribe to this channel. I know this OneNote is kind of acting weird. Hopefully I can fix it. But yeah, with that being said guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.